Hi there. Welcome to this video wherein we're going to dive deep into the exciting world of data science. In 2024, data scientists are more in demand than ever. They are the key players in unlocking the value hidden within massive data sets. From healthcare to finance, technology to retail, data scientists are driving innovation across industries. So, in this video, we'll explore number 1, the essential skills and qualifications needed to become a data scientist. Number 2, the different career path available within the field. Number 3, the latest trends, technologies shaping the future of data science. And number 4, real-world examples of how data scientists are making a difference. First, I'm going to start with what is a data scientist. A data scientist is a professional who specializes in analyzing and interpreting data. They use their data science skills to help organizations make better decisions, improve their data operations. And they typically have a strong background in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. They use this knowledge to analyze a large data set and find trends or patterns. Additionally, these data scientists may develop new ways to collect and store data. The obvious place to start when considering how to become a data scientist is assessing what you know and what you don't. Developing niches, specialities cannot be possible until the fundamentals have been perfected. So I have consolidated on list of things that you should be putting your energy upon. Starting with statistical analysis. This includes analyzing data and presenting the finding through unbiased, accurate statistics. Second comes programming, wherein you write code and develop softwares that are the key skills in many data science areas. Third is data visualization, which help you in presenting the data in table, graph, chart, and dashboard. This skill can help you be quickly comprehend both technical and non-technical persons into your company. And finally, machine learning, to create software that learns from the data. Owning these essential skills will help you to become a good data scientist. Now, I'm going to explain to you what are the steps to master them. First is mastering the programming languages like Python. A data scientist is expected to be fluent in Python and familiar with languages like R, SQL. These frameworks help in data mining, which is gathering relevant and trustworthy data from different sources. Second would be deep learning, wherein deep learning is a branch of machine learning that focuses on replicating certain learning method that ingest and reinforce information via artificial neural network. Third is natural language processing. Another branch of machine learning is natural language processing, also known as NLP, which is used for virtual assistant like Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, and OK Google. Finally, the algorithms, which are sets of instructions, perform these computations. These AI programs automate the business process and help them in understanding what unique employment opportunities can be found. Soft skills. Having soft skills means explaining your insights to people who lack the same knowledge. I've compiled some soft skills that a data scientist should possess. Number 1, having an analytical mindset. Data science isn't just about finding the right answers from the dataset, but also about finding insightful questions which require an analytical mindset. This mindset works with the goal of improving companies' efficiency, raising profits, and coming up with profitable ideas to find new ways to save money. In addition to being able to analyze data scientists need to understand what a business needs. That's why I put analytical skill to be the number 1. Second would be critical thinking. Critical thinking helps root out anomalies and incorrect values in dataset, and it is useful for data cleaning process. Adaptability and flexibility. Now, data might not always show what we want. When hiccups occur, adaptability and flexibility are key to overcoming the problem and turning them into something useful. So you need to be flexible and collaborate with other departments to collect and share their findings. So what does a data scientist do? Once you're clear on how to become a data scientist, you should also learn about the job role, qualifications, career prospects, and more that a data scientist would typically involve. Hence, in this section, I would be enhancing upon few techniques like ML and statistical techniques that typically play a role into data scientist. Number 1 is predictive modeling. Developing models that predict the future based on an historical data is a data scientist's job. This involves selecting an appropriate model, training it with data, and validating the accuracy. Number 2 is machine learning and advanced analytics. Applying machine learning algorithm to build model that can automate the decision-making process and even enhance prediction with time is the key. So following are the careers that are available in data science. Once you have mastered these skills, you have a range of career options available. Number 1, you can be a data engineer. Data engineers assemble large complex data sets. They identify, design, and implement internal process improvement and then build the infrastructure for optimal data extraction. They also build analytic tools that utilize this data pipeline. You can be a data architect. Data architect analyze the structural requirement for new software and application and develop database solutions. They install, configure system, and have them migrated into new technologies from the older ones. You can be data analyst, acquires data from primary and secondary sources and maintain the databases. They interpret that data, analyze it, and develop collection systems for the companies. Lastly, you can be a business analyst. A business analyst assists a company with planning and monitoring by eliciting and organizing the requirement. They validate resources, they validate cost, and then develop an estimate model that can make a company profitable. If you found this video helpful and want to dive deeper into the world of programming, I highly recommend checking out the Programming Hub app. It's packed with resources starting from Python to web development, and it breaks down complex topics into easy to understand lessons. Trust me, it's for anyone who is looking to level up their coding skills. Download the app now and start your programming journey today. Link is in the description box below. Happy coding!